Alex is writing a Python program. He is sure everything is correct. He clicks run. Python immediately stops.
This error is called type error, and it usually means Python received a value of the wrong type. Think of it like this. Alex has a basket of apples and a basket of oranges. Adding apples to apples makes sense. Adding oranges to oranges makes sense. But mixing completely different thing can create problem. Python feels the same way about the data types. In this example, the value 25 is stored as text, not as a number. Python sees this as a string, not an integer. Now, look at this line. Python is trying to combine a text and a number. Those are different data types. So, Python raises a type error. The fix is simple. Convert the string into an integer before using it. Type error can also happen when calling a function incorrectly. Here, the function expects two values, but Alex provided only one. Python cannot continue because a required argument is missing. Now, both arguments are provided. The function works correctly. Whenever you see type error, check these things. Are the data types compatible? Are you mixing strings and numbers? Did you pass the correct number of arguments to a function? Most type errors are caused by one of these issues. Alex fixes the data type, runs the program again, and everything works perfectly. Problem solved.